Wake up to reality. Nothing ever goes as planned in this accursed world. The longer you live, the more you will realize suffering and futility. Listen, everywhere you look in this world, wherever there is light, there will always be shadows to be found as well.